Students, now today solve the differential equation and find the particular solution satisfying the given condition. Solve question x plus y dy plus x minus y dx equal to 0 when x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. The given differential equation x plus y dy plus x minus y dx equal to 0 when x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. First we write the differential equation in the form of dy by dx and expand this x dx minus y dx equal to 0 and dy upon dx equal to minus x minus y upon x plus y, x minus y upon x plus y, and it can be written as y minus x upon x plus y. Then fxy is equal to y minus x upon x plus y and f lambda x lambda y is equal to lambda y minus lambda x upon lambda x plus lambda y just equal to lambda power 0 fxy. This is a homogeneous differential equation. It is homogeneous differential equation. This is the homogeneous differential equation. Now it is so that the function is a homogeneous differential equation. This is the function of the homogeneous differential equation. In homogeneous differential equation, the differential equation can be written in the form of dy by dx, and then we substitute the function as lambda x and lambda y in the place of x and y, So taking lambda as common and the lambda power 0 fxy, this shows that the function is a differential equation, homogeneous differential equation. Now next, as the Next, as the let y equal to vx and dy upon dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx and v plus x dv by dx equal to vx minus x upon x plus vx and equal to v minus 1 plus v. So x dv by dx equal to v minus 1 upon 1 plus v minus v equal to v minus 1 minus v square upon 1 plus v and v we cancel. So x dv by dx equal to minus 1 plus v square upon 1 plus v. Clear? 1 plus v square next 1 plus v upon 1 plus v square dv equal to minus dx upon x and v upon 1 plus v square dv plus 1 upon 1 plus v square dv equal to minus dx upon x. Now integrate both sides. And we get 2v upon 1 plus v square into 1 by 2 dv plus 1 upon 1 plus v square dv equal to minus dx upon x. dx upon x 1 upon 2 log 1 plus v square plus tan inverse v equal to minus log x plus log c. C just equal to just equal 1 by 2 log 1 plus v square plus log x plus tan inverse v equal to c and 1 by 2 log 1 plus y square upon x square plus 1 by 2 log x square plus tan inverse y upon x is equal to c 1 by 2 log 1 x square plus y square into x square upon x square plus tan inverse y upon x is equal to c. Now cancel. So 1 by 2 log x square plus y square plus tan inverse y upon x is equal to c. Put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. So 1 by 2 log 2 plus tan inverse 1 equal to c. 1 by 2 log 2 plus pi by 4 equal to c. Then put the value of c 1 by 2 log x square plus y square plus tan inverse y upon x is equal to 1 by 2 log 2 plus pi by 4. So this is the solution of the given differential equation. This is the solution of the given differential equation. So therefore now we find the value of the given differential equation. Okay, now thank you.